Children, welcome you all back to this online EVS session. We have completed our 10th chapter. What is our 10th chapter? Yes, plants and their parts. In this lesson, we have discussed about different parts of a plant and their functions. Before starting today's session, let us recollect the things which we have discussed about this chapter. Okay. Children, we have started with root. Root is the part of a plant which we can see under the ground. What are the functions of root? Yes, it fixes the plant firmly to the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and it also stores
extra food. Examples: carrot, beetroot.
Next, we have discussed about shoot. Shoot we can see above the ground. The main part of shoot is the stem. Stem bears branches, leaves, flowers, fruits,
Buds, etc. So what are the functions of stem? Stem supports other parts of the plant. Then it transports water and minerals from the root to the upper part. Then it also distributes cooked food
from the leaves to all parts of the plant. In some plants, the extra food will store
in stem. Example: sugarcane.
Potato, ginger, turmeric are the underground stem which store extra food. Then next we have discussed about the leaf. Leaf cook food for the plants. Leaf has leaf blade, middle vein, side veins and stomata. And we also discussed about flowers, fruits and seeds.
Flowers produce fruits, and inside fruits we can see seeds. From seed, a new plant will arise.
Inside the seed, we can see the baby plant.
When the seed gets proper conditions like warmth, water and air, the baby plant starts growing. So today
we will discuss the textbook exercise. Hope all of you having your textbook with you. Then open the textbook and take page number 82.
Children, here is our first exercise. Choose the correct options. Listen carefully. I will read the question. You have to choose the correct word from the given options. Okay. First question. In which of these plants is the food stored in the root? What is the correct answer? Yes, carrot. So underline carrot. Children, second question. Which of these plants has a weak stem? The plant with weak stem cannot stand upright. We just think carefully. Which is the correct option? Yes, money plant. All other plants can stand straight and has very thick stem, which is known as trunk. So, underline money plant. Third question. Which of these is a tube running from the stem to the leaf? Yes, main vein. Underline main vein. Children, stomata is the small opening which we can see under the leaf. Then leaf blade is the flat area of the leaf. Side veins are the branches which is coming from the main vein. Fourth question. Which of these fruits has only one seed inside it? Can you identify that fruit? Yes, mango has only one seed inside. So, underline mango. Then next question. Which of these parts has a baby plant inside it? Can you identify that plant? Yes, seed. We already discussed seed has a baby plant inside it. So, underline seed. Next exercise is write T for true or F for false. Identify whether the statement is true or false. First one, roots take in water from the soil. Is it true or false? Of course, it is a true statement because roots absorb or take water from the soil. So you have to write T. The second sentence, carrots and radishes store food in their roots. Is it true or false? Yes, it is also a true statement. Write T near to that sentence. Next, third sentence, plants take in oxygen from air to make food. You may get confused with this sentence. Children, understand one thing. Plants also breathe like us. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, same like us. But they use the toxic gas carbon dioxide to prepare their food. Okay, the breathing and preparation of food, that means photosynthesis. Both are entirely different processes which is happening in plants. While breathing, they take in oxygen and leave out carbon dioxide. But in the process of photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen. Okay. So children, the given statement is false because plants take in oxygen from air not for making food. Yes, only for breathing. Then fourth sentence, chlorophyll makes the leaf look green. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a true statement. Fifth sentence, all fruits have only one seed. Is it true or false? Yes, it is a false statement. We already discussed that some fruits have one seed, some other fruits have many seeds. So children, today we have discussed choose the correct answer and true or false from your textbook.
So these two exercises you have to complete in your textbook. Children, the rest all exercises we will do in our next class. Don't forget to read the lesson and study the notes. We will meet in our next class. Take care and goodbye.